Family. Don't look at what I have on. Welcome to Carter's Eat. I had to tell y'all this stat. I'm on day 4 of my 10-day green smoothie cleanse. I'm on day 4 of my 10-day green smoothie cleanse. You try to say it 5 times. Ladies, sister, men, family, friends, whatever. I just want to tell you, while I may not lose a pound, I may not lose an inch, the results that I physically feel going on in my body and what's moving and how I feel is phenomenal. I didn't even want to eat. I worked out today, ran an errand that was like an hour away. I go in the mall and I'm like, I really should eat something, but I had no appetite to eat. The last thing I ate was the chicken bog, which I made. Get there, and see that video. And I had that at 4 o'clock with AJ. And then I made dinner for everybody. Everybody ate the chicken bog. I didn't eat dinner. And I got up, had my smoothie this morning. You guys didn't see that, but this is the update. Still got greens in it. This is what I want to say. If you haven't done a service to yourself and done a 10-day smoothie cleanse, do it. I'm on day 4 and I am blown away that I thought I'd done this before, but I guess I hadn't. So do it. I am an Arbonne consultant and we have greens in a jar. So that's instant. If you don't want to do what I'm doing, is the avocado, cucumber, get there, see all the videos we've already made on that. But when my greens arrive, I will be using greens after. But I do enjoy using my mixed greens, my cucumber, my avocado. I just want to let you guys know, do yourself a service. Try 7 days, 4 days, or the 10-day green smoothie cleanse. Give yourself a chance. No whites, no frieds, no potatoes. I made some bread. But anyway, you'll see. I'm not hungry. Every need is met through the 10-day green smoothie cleanse. Again, shout out to Mommy on Deck. Thank you. These motivation videos, these people doing videos on YouTube, watch them, apply it. It may change your life. It's definitely changed mine. Go ahead and subscribe. Be sure you watch this video in full. Help me out by getting this video out there. So thumbsing it up, that's huge. And tell a neighbor, tell a friend, share the video. Do yourself a service and start a 10-day green smoothie cleanse now. And if you can make it to day 5, come and tell me all about it, okay? Love you guys. Be sure to watch day 1 through 4 to find out exactly what kind of smoothies we're making here at Carter's Eat. Love you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay. I call you.